The Better Cotton Initiative (BCI), IDH, the Sustainable Trade Initiative, and Dalberg Advisors have unveiled the Better Cotton Innovative Challenge, a global project inviting innovative ideas to improve sustainable cotton farming practices around the world. It asks innovators to find solutions on farmer training and efficient data collection. European fashion retailer Tendam recently announced it has acquired the Horse Entropia and Horse Entropia brands. Tendam's model is centered on managing fashion brands that operate in the premium mass market segment, and the addition of these new ones into its brand portfolio is another step in its development and growth strategy, the firm said in a statement. India and China should break the strange circle of ups and downs in bilateral relations instead of attempting to control differences. Chinese Vice Foreign Minister Liu Zhaohui recently told the 4th India-China Think Tanks Forum in Beijing. The simultaneous rise of China and India is the most important historical event in the 21st century, he said. The South India Textile Research Association (SITRA) Coimbatore, with more than 6 decades of research expertise, has developed a breakthrough technology for greener reduction of indigo dye during dye process labeled as GRIN, Green Reduction of Indigo Dye. The significance of the technology is that it does not call for any additional capital investments. According to Blue Sign, a system that provides sustainable environments for people to work in, brands will have final say on success of Green Button depending on how they choose to market it as they tell story behind their label. The Green Button was created to achieve environmental, social and economic improvements along entire textile supply chain. Spinnova, the sustainable fiber company and sustainable outdoor brand Bergens have launched Collection of Tomorrow, a circular, subscription-based take-back and reuse concept that's revolutionary in apparel industry. The collection's first prototype is a highly sustainable design backpack which is involving consumers in R&D as co-owners of fabric resource. Kenya is quickly losing its position as the East African Community (EAC) exports powerhouse, according to a study conducted by the EAC Secretariat and Trademark East Africa. Kenyan products are increasingly finding it tough to compete with cheaper imports from China and India and those produced by regional rivals, shrinking Kenya's share of exports, it said.